In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook Calendar with Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have your Outlook events showing up right inside Google Calendar, so you can view everything in one place without switching tabs all day. First, open Outlook on the web or the new Outlook interface. Look to the top right for the gear icon that's Settings. Click it, then choose View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of the panel. In the Settings window, go to Calendar, and then select Shared Calendars. This is where you'll publish a read-only feed of your calendar that Google Calendar can subscribe to. Under the section called Publish a Calendar, pick the specific calendar you want to share from the drop-down. For permissions, choose Can View All Details so your event titles, times, locations, and notes show up clearly in Google Calendar. Now click Publish. Outlook will generate two links for you. You'll see an HTML link, which is for viewing in a browser, and an ICS link, which is the one we need for calendar apps. Copy the ICS link. Next, open Google Calendar in your browser. On the left sidebar, find Other Calendars. Click the plus sign next to it, and from the menu, select from URL. Paste that ICS link you copied from Outlook into the field, and then click Add Calendar. After a moment, your Outlook calendar will appear in the list under Other Calendars, and your events will begin to populate in your Google view. A few helpful notes as you check your results. Because this is an ICS subscription, it's read-only in Google Calendar. That means you can view your Outlook events in Google, but any changes should be made in Outlook. Google will pick up those updates automatically. Also, the sync isn't instant. Google refreshes ICS feeds periodically, so it might take some time for edits made in Outlook to show up in Google. If you don't see events right away, give it a bit. And if something looks off, double-check that you pasted the ICS link, not the HTML link, back in the From URL area. You'll notice the calendar appears under Other Calendars with its own color and name label. That's normal, and it helps you quickly toggle visibility on and off to compare schedules. If you ever need to stop seeing it, you can unsubscribe from it right there in Google Calendar. That's it, thanks for watching.